YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Aisirer Wi-Fi mini smart plug outlets. In the box, it comes with the two outlets, which is nice to see that you can get two at the same time. It also comes with a manual. In the manual, they give you all the directions you need to set up your Wi-Fi outlets. However, I use the Smart Life app for all my Wi-Fi features, and this one says to download the eFamily Cloud app. I'm going to tell you in my past experience that all of this is the same basically, no matter what app you use. So the Smart Life app is the one that I'm going to use because I have all my Wi-Fi outlets and smart devices hooked up to that one. So to use these Wi-Fi outlets, I'm going to show you on one of them how you install it. First off, you just basically plug it in. And it's going to have a light on the front. Also to show you though, it does have a manual on-off switch here. After you get it all set up, you can turn the outlet on and off just on the side. Once it's blinking, I'm going to go into my Smart Life app, which is right here. It's going to load up. I'm going to have to put my password in, but if you're going to download an app the first time, I do recommend the Smart Life app for all Wi-Fi devices. It's the one I found that works the best with all of them. So I'm going to put my password in, and as you can see, I have multiple outlets on there already. What we're going to do to add more is we're going to hit the plus sign in the upper right hand corner, and it's going to lead you through everything. Okay, this is an electrical outlet, so I'm going to hit electrical outlet, and it says power on the device, confirm that the indicator light rapidly blinks. We're going to hold down the power switch until it turns to that blinking on there. And then we're going to confirm that the indicator is rapidly blinking. Then the app is going to ask for your Wi-Fi password. You confirm it. You want to be on your 2.4 gigahertz channel. And then you're going to enter in your Wi-Fi password. And it's going to search for it like any other Wi-Fi outlet. There you go. It's got the circle. And I went to 100%. And it added the device. It's just called socket. And actually, I'm going to call it something easier than that. I'm going to call it kitchen socket for now. So I'll type in kitchen socket. And I'm going to call it 1. Because I want to install the other one as well. And I just push save, and the reason why I wanted to call it something different was if you're going to control this through Alexa, you're going to have to know what the socket is called. Now just to show you through the Smart Life app, you can control it manually through the app. It says socket's off. If I push right on the socket, it turns it on, and if you notice, it has a little purple light right there. It also has a timer feature, which is actually a schedule timer, so you can schedule it for on and off times. You could also have a countdown timer, so that stays on for like 15 minutes and then turns off, and just the switch button itself. So off is blue, on is like purple. So, alright, let's try showing you how to connect this to Alexa. I'm installing the second one, and I gotta tell you, at these Wi-Fi outlets, I didn't touch that button this time, the power on button, hold it down, and I just said connect, and it connected right to it. I'm gonna call this kitchen socket 2. And that will be the bottom socket. Another thing that might happen in the app is that it might say the firmware is old and it's going to update it, and it'll just tell you right in the app, and just push update, and it'll update the firmware of the sockets themselves. Also, I want to point out at this time that when you have two of them, they easily fit into an outlet. So they're not going to be bulky where you can only use one and the other one doesn't fit. So any type of Wi-Fi outlet or anything smart that you're going to use with Alexa, you have to go into the Amazon Alexa app. And then you're going to hit the menu button in the upper left and go to Smart Home. And you're going to push Add Device. And what this is going to do is it's just going to search for all those devices in the Smart Life app and other places to make sure that it finds any new devices. I went to go add the sockets, and Amazon Alexa automatically added it before I even do that. But to let you know, if you go in there and you go to Smart Home and search new devices, you should find it. I guess the Amazon Alexa app now just searches out any new devices when you install them. So now we're going to do our all-time favorite test with Zach, who always helps me test out these Wi-Fi outlets. We have his octopus lamp behind him, and it is currently on kitchen socket 1.
Alexa, turn off chicken. Alexa, turn off kitchen socket 1. Okay.
All right, and show us how you turn it back on.
Alexa, turn on kitchen socket 1. Okay.
So as you can see, it's so easy that even a 5-year-old can do it with Alexa. And that's how you control your devices through the Aisirer outlets with Alexa.
Alexa, turn on kitchen socket 1. Okay.
All right, Zach, turn on the fan now.
Alexa, turn on kitchen socket 2.
Okay.
And there you go. You can see that you could independently control each outlet. And it's nice that they include two, so that way you can use them on multiple devices. As you can see in this review, these Aisirer outlets are excellent. They're nice looking. They're not ugly and boxy. They're very attractive and work excellent. So I would recommend, if you're looking for some smart Wi-Fi outlets, to look at the Aisirer outlets and see if you'd like to purchase them. If you'd like to purchase some Aisirer Wi-Fi smart outlets, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. While you're there, also push on the bell notification icon, so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. We thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.